morning, students. As you all know that we are continuing with the book of English literature workbook 2-3 days. So you all have completed in page number 13 exercise 1 na. So we are going to begin with the exercise 2. What you all have to do, take your English literature workbook and come to the exercise 2. At the left side mention the date, today's date 18/7/20 and classwork at the right side. After that you see that statement is given, write the opposites of the following. You all know that what do you mean by opposite. Opposite मतलब क्या होता है, उसका विपरीत, उल्टा. So small will, what is the opposite of small? It is big. What is the opposite of fair? It is ugly. What is the opposite of in? It is out. Okay. What is the opposite of heavy? It is light. Sharp opposite is blunt. Over opposite is under. Cold, hot. After that, bright, dull. You can use the pencil. With the help of pencil you can fill like this, as same I have given in you in this copy. Rich, poor. Okay. So when you completed this with the help of pencil in your workbook, come to the next. Using a dictionary. With the red you are seeing in your book also that it is given using a dictionary. In this, find these words in a dictionary. See how fast you can do it. Write down the meaning of the each of the word. First word is giraffe. Giraffe you all know, na? Giraffe is an animal. So what you can write the meaning? A large African animal with a very long neck and 4 legs. You can complete with the help of pencil like this. Come to the next. It is oyster. At the book you are seeing some pictures are given in the below of the written words. So oyster is a large flat sea creature. Sea means samudra. Sea creature that lives in a shell. That lives in a shell. Oyster एक फ्लैट एनिमल है जो वाटर में रहता है और इसके अंदर कभी कभी पर्ल भी फॉर्म होता है और कुछ सेल में रहने वाले ऑयस्टर्स को हम it is used as to eat also. Okay, come to the next is stag. What do you mean by stag? Stag is a male red deer. A male red deer मतलब इसको नर हिरण भी कहते हैं. ठीक है. You are seeing that pictures are given in the book and in the below. Next is pelican. Pelican is a bird. A large bird that lives near water with a long beak. To easily hunt the fish. मतलब पेलिकन एक पक्षी है जो काफ़ी लंबे बीक, मतलब उसकी चोंच बहुत लंबी होती है जिससे वो इजीली फिश को, पानी में जो ट्रैवल कर रही होगी फिश उसको हंट कर सके, शिकार कर सके उसका। तो ये ज़्यादातर पानी के पास में ही पाई जाती है, ठीक है। सो पेलिकन इज़ अ large size bird with a long beak. What you all have to do, you all have to complete it as same as I have given in this copy. You have to done it into the book, workbook only, with the help of pencil in a neat and clean handwriting, and spelling should be correct. And what is your homework? To revise these exercises of this chapter. Now, okay, thank you.